Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and this is a quick video of Matt rebuilding the 305 engine in his 85 Camaro IROC Z. Before the rebuild, the car sounded like this. And now, it sounds like this. The rebuild took 7 days, with Matt working on it after work and over the weekend. I've also posted 7 short videos that break down what he did each day, so be sure to check those out. The rebuild kicked off with Matt removing the front end and hood, followed by disassembling the engine. Getting the engine out wasn't difficult, but Matt always double checks to make sure nothing is still attached. Once the engine was out, he took off the bell housing, clutch, and flywheel so the engine could be mounted to the stand. From there, he removed the heads, timing chain, and everything else that needed to come off. Matt left the crank and pistons installed since he's not replacing them, but he did swap out the oil pump for a new one. Once everything was stripped down and cleaned, he put it all back together with some new components, including a comp cams cam kit with a camshaft, lifters, and a timing chain. He also installed a new oil pan and Edelbrock Performer RPM intake. Plus, he installed a new flywheel, clutch, and pressure plate, which is also known as a clutch cover. The heads, push rods, and rocker arms from the previous build were still in great condition, so Matt reused them. He then attached the transmission to the engine and installed both as one complete unit. With the engine back in the car and all components reconnected, it was time to start it up. He had one minor issue and needed to get a new distributor, but once that was installed, the engine started on the first try. And that's the rebuild in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.